Need to see into tight, dark, or hard-to-reach places? Whether you're a professional mechanic or a curious DIYer, an inspection camera can be a total game-changer. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best endoscope inspection cameras that deliver precision, clarity, and convenience. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Impacopai C43 Endoscope Inspection Camera. The Impacopai C43 Endoscope Inspection Camera is a reliable and versatile tool designed to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring a high-definition 1080p camera, it captures clear and detailed images, making it ideal for inspection and repair tasks where precision is crucial. Whether you're checking engine parts, plumbing systems, or other hard-to-reach areas, the C43 delivers sharp visuals that help identify problems quickly. One of the standout features is its 4.3-inch IPS screen display. This screen provides vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, allowing users to see images clearly even under bright lighting conditions. The portability of the built-in screen means you don't have to rely on connecting to an external device, making the inspection process straightforward and efficient. Durability is another key aspect of the Impacopai C43. It carries an IP67 waterproof rating, allowing it to function reliably in damp or wet environments without fear of damage. This makes it suitable for inspections inside pipes, drains, or other moist areas. The device is also equipped with 8 LED lights that illuminate dark spaces, ensuring clear visibility even in low-light conditions. The endoscope's design includes a rigid cable that can be shaped as needed to access tight or complex spaces, enhancing its usability across different situations. The inclusion of useful accessories such as a hook and magnet further extends its functionality, making it easier to retrieve small objects or navigate confined environments. Powered by a built-in 2000 mAh battery, the device supports 3 to 5 hours of continuous use on a single charge, allowing users to complete extensive inspections without interruption. Originating from mainland China, the Impacopai C43 boasts robust construction, promising long-lasting performance and reliability. With its combination of a high-definition camera, practical design features, and durable build, the Impacopai C43 Endoscope Inspection Camera is a practical choice for anyone needing detailed visual inspections in challenging environments. Coming in at number 4, the Lenseye C30M Endoscope Inspection Camera. The Lenseye C30 Endoscope Inspection Camera is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for detailed visual inspections in hard-to-reach places. Featuring a vibrant 4.3-inch IPS color display, it offers a wide horizontal viewing angle of approximately 170 degrees, delivering clear and sharp images at a high resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels in real time. This makes it ideal for capturing intricate details during inspections. Equipped with a powerful probe, the camera includes 8 adjustable LED lights to illuminate dark environments, ensuring visibility regardless of lighting conditions. The camera's IP67 waterproof rating guarantees reliable operation even in wet or damp locations, enhancing its durability and versatility. One of the standout features of the Lenseye C30M is its 1.29-inch short lens, specifically designed for inspecting narrow pipes and confined spaces. This lens is notably shorter than conventional models, allowing for easier maneuvering around difficult angles. The flexible yet rigid cable can be shaped to the user's needs, providing precise control when navigating tight spots. The device emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. It operates independently, requiring no Wi-Fi connection or smartphone app and no driver installations. Users can simply power on the device and start inspecting immediately. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended use, reducing fatigue. The Endoscope is powered by a built-in 2000 milliamp battery, offering 3 to 5 hours of continuous work, while the Type-C charging port supports quick and convenient recharging. Both the front-facing and side cameras provide full 1080p resolution, delivering high-quality images from multiple angles. Additionally, the Lenseye C30M comes with practical accessories such as a hook and magnet, enabling users to retrieve small objects or adapt the camera for various inspection environments. Overall, this inspection camera combines advanced technology with practical design to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. At number 3, we have the Inskam S10 Endoscope Inspection Camera. The Inskam S10 Endoscope Inspection Camera is a powerful tool designed to bring precision and clarity to your inspection tasks. Featuring an 8mm single and dual lens, it delivers high-quality images that allow users to detect flaws and defects with ease. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this camera offers detailed visual access to areas that are otherwise difficult to reach. Equipped with a crisp 1080p resolution displayed on a 5-inch IPS screen, the Inskam S10 provides clear and sharp images of inspection areas. This ensures that every detail is visible, enabling more accurate assessments and helping you identify issues quickly and effectively. This endoscope is specifically designed for inspecting car engine pipes, making it an invaluable device for automotive maintenance and repair. The 1-meter cable length allows the camera to reach deep into tight spaces and corners, expanding its usability beyond just engines to other hard-to-access areas as well. One notable feature of the Inskam S10 is its innovative rotate design, which enhances maneuverability and viewing angles during inspections. This feature helps users adjust the lens position easily, providing comprehensive views of inspection areas without the need for repositioning the entire device. Overall, the Inskam S10 Endoscope Inspection Camera is a reliable and versatile inspection tool that combines advanced imaging technology with practical design elements to make inspection work more efficient and effective. Next up at number 2 is the Teslong TD500 Endoscope Inspection Camera. The Teslong TD500 Endoscope Inspection Camera is a versatile and highly efficient tool designed for detailed inspections in hard-to-reach spaces. Its standout feature is the two-way articulating probe, which allows precise control to navigate and view areas that are otherwise difficult to access without disassembling parts. This capability can significantly reduce both the time and cost involved in inspections, especially when dealing with complex engine components or mechanical systems. Equipped with a remarkably slim 3.9mm lens, about 0.15 inches in diameter, the TD500 is designed to fit into tight spaces with ease. This makes it an ideal instrument for a wide range of tasks, from mechanical repairs and inside wall inspections to detailed examinations of car cylinders and engines. Its slender design ensures that no matter how confined the area, you can get a clear and thorough look inside. The inspection camera features a bright 5-inch IPS LCD screen with true-color WVGA resolution, delivering crisp and accurate images directly on the device. This screen quality ensures that every detail is displayed with excellent clarity and vibrant colors, making it easy to spot issues during inspections. The device is ready to use right out of the box, requiring no additional hardware or software to get started. One of the more innovative aspects of the Teslong TD500 is its built-in wireless adapter, which allows you to share inspection images in real time with colleagues on tablets or other devices. This feature facilitates collaborative problem-solving, enabling multiple inspectors to diagnose issues together even when they are not physically in the same location. The TD500 package comes complete with everything needed for immediate use: the 3.9mm articulating borescope, a Type-C charging and data cable, a 32GB micro SD card for ample storage, a convenient carrying case, and a detailed user manual. This comprehensive set ensures that users have all the essentials for efficient and effective inspections. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lafoch ZN71 Endoscope Inspection Camera. The Lafoch ZN71 Endoscope Inspection Camera is a versatile and advanced tool designed for detailed visual inspections in hard-to-reach places. Featuring a 360-degree steering capability, this device offers an ultra-wide-angle view that eliminates blind spots, ensuring comprehensive coverage during inspections. Its innovative camera imaging technology, combined with a 200W high-definition lens, delivers sharp, realistic images that capture even the smallest details with impressive clarity. One of the standout features of the Lafoch ZN71 is its large 7-inch screen, which enhances visibility and makes it easier to detect and analyze fine details. This sizable display provides a comfortable viewing experience, allowing users to carry out inspections more efficiently without straining their eyes. The inspection camera's design incorporates a fixed snake tube made from pure copper metal pipes. This choice of material not only improves wear resistance, but also provides excellent toughness and high strength. The tube's flexibility allows it to be bent and shaped as needed, maintaining its form during use for enhanced convenience and adaptability in various inspection scenarios. Built with a high wear-resistant snake tube structure, the Lafoch ZN71 stands out in terms of durability and reliability. Its authentic materials contribute to a high-quality construction that can withstand the demands of professional inspections. Overall, the Lafoch ZN71 Endoscope Inspection Camera combines advanced imaging technology with robust physical design, making it a practical and effective solution for professionals requiring precise, flexible, and durable inspection tools. Whether used in industrial, automotive, or maintenance applications, it offers exceptional performance to meet diverse inspection needs.